It's an honest project. It's quite simple, and it has some traditional forms, of course, but it's made in a modern way. Maybe that could be inspiring for others. You don't have to shout. You can also be whispering about the architecture. To be nominated in this World Architecture Festival, so the award is of course very nice. I'm honored, of course, but I'm especially glad to see that a low-key project, ordinary project, you don't have infinity pools, you don't have cantilever parts going out, sticking out 10 meters, but it's ordinary building, but with detailing that is carefully designed. And that is the most enjoyable thing for me with this nomination. When the client came to me, it's a family. They wanted me to design the holiday house for year-round use. 3 bedrooms, social spaces to meet friends in. That was almost it. But one thing was on top of everything. It was, we don't want to work with the building every year. So it has to be maintenance-free. The house is on Swedish big islands in the Baltic Sea, Öland. It's the most sunniest place, actually, in Sweden, year after year, but it has also extreme weather in winter, from 25 or 30 degrees Celsius in the summer to minus 25 in the winter, and the stormy winds. So it has to be something that can stand up and stay there for years and years. It was quite obvious where to put it, in the village, where trees and bushes were protecting from strong winds. That wasn't the issue. It was more the design, how to fit a modern building into a several hundred-year-old environment. That was the big challenge. I got inspired from the local building tradition. Metal roofing was obvious because all the buildings, all the barns in the neighborhood and on the whole island was metal or tin roofs, and we ended up with this concrete element with horizontal lines in it. So we got the light gray walls and then the metallic roof. Of course, when you are building in Sweden, first you look at materials we have here. So when you are talking about metal roofing, you are looking at Swedish steel. It has to be weatherproof and it has to be sustainable and environmental friendly. But the most important, I think, in the end was the look of it. That was crucial for me. I wanted this sinus-shaped metal roofing. I looked around, searched for that I could combine the shape of the metal panel and the color. In this case, it was only the GreenCoat that had all these criteria.